So today we will solve this problem of debentures when debentures are issued at discount. See the problem. Surya Limited issued 2500 15% debentures of rupees 100 each at a discount of 10% payable as follows. The face value of debentures is rupees 100 and they are issuing debentures at 10% discount. 10% of rupees 100 is rupees 10. So 10 rupees discount will be deducted from face value and the offer price is 90 rupees per debentures because the debentures are issued at 10% discount. So Surya Limited issued 15% debentures of rupees 100 each at rupees 90 each. This is the meaning of this transaction, this sentence. Okay. Amount payable as under rupees 25 on application, rupees 25 on allotment and the balance on first call. They told us that applications were received for 2000 debentures and the allotment was made. All the money were duly received. Expenses on issue of debentures amounted to rupees 8000. So we have to pay that. Then directors decided to write off 1/5 of expenses on issue account and discount on issue of debentures account from statement of profit and loss each year. म्हणजे प्रत्येक वर्षाच्या शेवटी इश्यूसाठी जे एक्सपेन्स आलेत 8000 आणि जो डिस्काउंट आपण दाखवणार आहोत इश्यू ऑन डिबेंचर्समध्ये तो डिस्काउंट याच्या 1/5 अमाऊंट प्रॉफिट अँड लॉस अकाउंट त्या वर्षीच्या प्रॉफिट अँड लॉस अकाउंटमधून रिटर्न ऑफ केले जातील असं डायरेक्टर्सनी डिसाईड केलं आहे. त्यामुळे या प्रॉब्लेममध्ये सगळ्यात पहिली एंट्री आपल्याला ॲप्लिकेशन मनी रिसिव्हची करावी लागेल. त्यानंतर ॲप्लिकेशन मनी विल बी ट्रान्सफर्ड टू डिबेंचर्स अकाउंट. Then the entry of allotment money due and the discount will be included in the entry of allotment money due. Then the entry of allotment money received. Then we will pass the entry of first and final call money due. Then the entry will be of amount received of first and final call. Then the entry of payment of expenses on issue. And last entry will be of writing of 1/5 of discount and expenses on issue from profit and loss account. This will be the last entry. Okay. Here debentures are issued and amount is taken in installment, but if the full amount of debenture is received in one installment, that is at the time of application, always the amount should be credited to debenture application and allotment account instead of debenture application account. आपण हे शिकलेलो आहोत. ज्यावेळेला एकदम अमाऊंट घेतलेली असते त्यावेळेला आपण नुसतं डिबेंचर ॲप्लिकेशन अकाउंट न म्हणता डिबेंचर ॲप्लिकेशन अँड अलॉटमेंट अकाउंट असं म्हटलं पाहिजे. हे प्रत्येक वेळेला लक्षात ठेवा. या प्रॉब्लेममध्ये तो प्रश्न नाही आहे कारण इथे इन्स्टॉलमेंट्सच आहेत. सो दे टोल्ड अस टू पास जर्नल एंट्रीज फॉर फर्स्ट इयर ओनली. So let's start. Now we will pass the journal entries of first year only because every year they will return off 1/5 amount of discount on debentures and expenses on issue. Okay, we have to pass only entries for first year, so we will return off 1/5 amount in last entry. Okay, so let's start now. Let's pass journal entries now. Surya Limited journal entries, date, particulars, LF, debit rupees, credit rupees. Okay, first entry. See, they told us that Surya Limited issued 2500 shares, 2500 15% debentures of rupees 100 each at a discount of 10%. I told you 10% discount. 10% of 100 is rupees 10 and the debentures were issued at discount means 100 rupees minus 10 rupees, that is for 90 rupees. Application money is 25, allotment money 25 and balance on first call. Applications were received for 2000 debentures. So first entry will be about application money received. We all know the entry. Bank account debit to 15% debenture application account. So bank account debit to 15% debentures application account. Application money received on 2000 debentures at rupees 25 each. This will be the narration, and so the amount will be 2000 into 25 rupees, that is rupees 50,000. Okay, so this is the entry of application money received. Now second entry will be of application money transferred to debentures account. So the second entry will be 15% debentures application account debit to 15% debentures account. Amount is 50,000, and the narration is application money adjusted or transfer. Application money transferred to debentures account. This is just like the entries in shares. Third entry will be of allotment money due, and as these debentures were issued at 10% discount, even though it is not stated here, discount will be adjusted with allotment. So now we will pass the entry of allotment money due. Entry will be 15% debentures allotment account debit to, sorry, here discount we have to adjust, so discount will be debited. As I told you, discount on issue of debentures account debit, discount will be debited because it is lost to the company. So 15% debentures account debit, 15% debenture allotment account debit, discount on issue of debentures account debit to 15% debentures account. Now here allotment money is rupees 25. So now the amounts: 15% debentures allotment account debit, 25% is on allotment. So 2000 into rupees 25, that is rupees 50,000. Discount on issue of debentures account debit, discount is rupees 10 into 2000. So 2000 into 10 will be 20,000. Discount to 15% debentures account 70,000. Okay. Narration will be allotment money due. Now the entry will be of allotment money received. They told us in the problem that applications were received for 2000 debentures and allotment was made. All the money were duly received. So entry will be of allotment money received, bank account debit 50,000 to 15% debentures allotment account 50,000. Narration is amount received on allotment or allotment money received. This will be the narration. Now the fifth entry will be of first and final call money due. So 15% debentures first and final call account debit to 15% debentures account first and final call money due. This is the narration, and amount will be 2000 debentures into the first and final call. The first and final call is the balance amount. Okay, so 50 rupees will be application and allotment money out of 90. So remaining amount is 40. So 40 into 2000 into 40 रुपीज. 40 रुपये कसे आहेत ते तुम्हाला कळलं आहे. द डिबेंचर्स वर इशूड ॲट डिस्काउंट. इट मीन्स दे आर इशूड ॲट ₹90. Out of that 25 rupees received on allotment, 25 rupees received on application. So the company has received 50 rupees already. So remaining balance, that is 40 rupees, will be the final call money. So amount will be 80,000. Okay. Now sixth entry. Sixth entry will be of final call money received. So the entry will be bank account debit 80,000 to 15% debentures first and final call account. Amount is 80,000. As there are no arrears, all money received on final call also. So final call money received, or you can write amount received on first and final call. So this will be the sixth entry. Now the seventh entry. See, in the problem they told us that there were expenses on issue rupees 8,000. So here now we will make the entry of expenses on issue paid. Okay, so entry will be expenses on issue account debit. This account is debited because debit all expenses and losses. Amount is 8,000. To bank account. Bank account is credited because payment is made always through bank. So bank account is credited. Okay. Narration is issue expenses paid or expenses on issue paid. This will be the entry. जेव्हा कोणतेही आपण खर्च पेड करतो त्यावेळेला आपण 11वी ते जनरल एंट्री शिकलेलो आहोत. रेंट पेड अशी एंट्री आपण रेंट अकाउंट डेबिट टू बँक अकाउंट जर चेकनी केलं असेल तर, आणि अदरवाईज टू कॅश अकाउंट अशी करतो. कंपनीच्या व्यवहारामध्ये सगळी पेमेंट्स थ्रू बँक होतात. सो टू बँक अकाउंट. ओके. नाव द नेक्स्ट एंट्री. दे टोल्ड अस दॅट these expenses 8,000 and the discount will be adjusted from statement of profit and loss, and 1/5 amount will be written off per year at the end of the year. Okay, so we have to return off 1/5 amount. See, total expenses are 8,000. 1/5 of that will be 1,600, and here discount is 20,000. 1/5 of rupees 20,000 discount is 4,000. So we have to return off at the end of this year, current year, 4,000 of discount on issue of debentures and 1,600 of expenses on issue. Okay, so the entry will be statement of profit and loss debit to discount on issue of debentures account. We will return off 1/5, that is 4,000 rupees discount, and two expenses on issue account we will write off rupees 1,600. So 4,000 plus 1,600, that is total 5,600 amount will be written off against statement of profit and loss. Okay, so 1/5 of discount and issue expenses were written off at the end of the year. This will be the last entry of this problem. Okay, so in this way, when the debentures will be issued at discount, we have to calculate the discount, and afterwards if they told us in the problem, we have to return off that discount against statement of profit and loss, etc. Okay, that's all.